Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the best resource for MRCS Part B. Write school on Google and then press on this icon. It will take you there. Try to log in, press on login. Don't create your own now because you're going to be charged. Sign up, write your name simply, your last name, your email and your password, and that's it. And now you can log in. I'm going to log in to my account now. Just press or log in here and it will take you immediately to the account. As you can see, I saved my details. I'm logged in now. After logging, you can search for our community by pressing on school up there and then writing MRCS, as I'm going to show you. This is our community now, but you will not find it unless you search for it. Press on these arrows as I showed you here and then write MRCS and then search and you will find our community here. As you can see, you press on that one and then you press on join. The price is $490 a month. What you're gonna get, you're gonna get all of these features. Firstly, you will have the community in which you can write, post, comment, like or dislike. As you can see here, I'm writing a post. It has to have a title. For example, I may ask the community, I need a list of problems, for example, or you can say, I would like someone to study with me, or you can say, I want to ask a question about burn, and then you're going to write the question, or you're going to write the specific point that you want to mention, and then you're going to post it. You can just write whatever you like, and then you can attach any link, any picture, any file. You can attach a link easily. You can even attach a video by just clicking here, and you can attach a poll if you won't be able to vote. You can attach an action, an emoji, a GIF. So it's very flexible, it's very nice. You can interact immediately with your colleague. You can attach GIF and emojis I'm showing you now. So this app is very interactive. I like it, and it does add a flavor to studying, to be honest. In order to post, you need to choose a category, select category, and I can modify this. You can select, is it a feedback, discussion, announcement, or clinical question, and then you can post it. You just post it here, the GIF, as I showed you earlier. You can choose and then select category to be able to post. You will not be able to post without selecting category, and you can see your post here. Let's say you posted a post and you want to follow people, you're going to press on this one. If anyone commented, you're going to see, and you can unfollow the post if you don't want to have any notification about the post. After you post, you can like your post, you can dislike, you can comment to the post, you can add whatever comment you want to add, you can attach link, attach video, attach GIF, you can cancel, you can follow and unfollow the post. It's a very interactive community. You can follow, look, as you can see the previous videos, the previous comments, the previous post. You can even press on a video and watch it easily. As I'm showing you now, you can just press here and watch this video, how I managed stress during MRCS Part B. And you just need the app, you don't need anything else. It's a very interactive community. Second feature is Classroom. As you can see, I'm going to press on Classroom just next to Community, and you will find all the courses. So these are our courses for MRCS Part B. And you can press on each one to study. For example, let's press on MRCS OSCE History Station. We divided it, as you can see, into Introduction, Typical History Station, and Atypical History Station. Each one has different modules. Introduction has what you see here. Typical History Station has this station, infected pseudoaneurysm, rectal, and finishing all the high yield stations. And then Atypical History Station, including impotence, depression, and dementia. You can press Let's say we pressed on this one, knee pain, and you can study it from A to Z. The scenario is the same way as MRCS Part B. It does include every single question, even the discussion between you and the examiner. So it was designed as MRCS Part B station, and at the end you will find a picture which will show you the most important differential and how to ask about these differentials, which is the bulk of the station. The bulk of each history station is the differential. And after you finish studying, as I'm going to show you, you can easily tick and untick your progress. So you just press here on the green tick on top here, as I'm doing now. If you untick it, it's going to show you your percentage here, 72. That's what you studied so far. And let's say untick this one. Look, the percentage is now less 69%. So it's going to show you your progress, and you will know exactly your progress for each course, for the history, for the clinical examination, for whatever. This, for example, one of the untypical history station, depression, is the same. It has a video which you can listen to if you are driving or at the gym, and it's the same scenario at the exam, presenting yourself, taking permission. You can tick and untick, and it will change the percentage of your progress. You can press on classroom again to study different course. This is a history. You can study the communication skills, same way. And let's say we pressed on the communication skills, we divided it into in-person station and phone call station, same way as the exam. And you have structure and tips. Let's say you want to study any of this station, you're just going to press on it, and then it's going to show you the station with the video, same way as the exam. And you can tick and untick, as I'm showing you here, and your progress will change accordingly. Okay? You have the examination, procedure skill, anatomy, pathology, all of it. Let's say we press on critical care here. You can press on it, and we divided it systemically. Respiratory, neurological, gastrointestinal, endocrine, as you can see. So you can easily follow up. And this is a high yield information in the exam. And this resource will be enough for you to pass the exam. And from experience, we have students who passed just using our resources. So you don't need anything else. We're going to share the experiences on the community. For example, here, acute pancreatitis. All of these tables, we did create them to make memorizing easier for you. You can press on the image and it will be magnified. And this, all the questions that could be asked about acute pancreatitis, you can tick and untick, and you're going to see the progress on the left side, as I showed you, 65%. So you have a way to measure. These are high yield images that comes. It's not the same image that will come to your exam, but it's a very similar image. And then here you can just press on the image, and then the image will be magnified. Very high yield topics. You can study the rest same way. You can just press on classroom to go back, and you will find the rest of the course. Let's say you want someone to study with. You can press on member, as you can see here, members. You're going to press on this, and you will have access to all our members. You can chat with them, you can discuss with them, you can ask them questions, you can speak with them, you can know if they are online or not online, and their location, which city, which country. You can message them, as I'm doing now. So I'm messaging Ahmed Munir, just, hi Ahmed, how is your study? And then he's going to receive my message, I'll reply back. I can attach file, I can send emojis, I can send GIF, and you have access to every single member. You can just, it's like a community, like a WhatsApp or Facebook, but with studying material. And here you have our lead board, which means who's active. For example, in the last 7 days, Muhammad Kamal was the most active one, followed by Ibrahim, followed by Aliyah. And you can press on Muhammad Kamal and chat with him directly. For example, if you want to study with him or practice with him. And these points, as you can see, plus 33 and plus 100 is very important, because we will know who's active. We may give prices for those who are active. And we also gonna give access to specific courses for the most active people. And how you're gonna be active? By asking in the community, by commenting, by liking. If you wrote a post and people gave you like, then you will receive points. And according to your points, you're gonna have a different degree. For you can see there on top we have graduate, junior, registrar, and till a consultant. So we make a hierarchy. As you can see here, you can just press on Muhammad. You can see the green dots here. This means his activity, and he has 159 contribution. As you see here, 159 contribution, and you can follow and speak with and chat with every single member, and this will give you idea who's active. And we can follow you by your activity, and we ask you why you're not active, or how we will know how much are you active. And this is a calendar. If we have any event, we will put it here in the calendar. As you can see, this is our previous events. We will put the time, and the time will be adjusted automatically to your city, so you don't need to adjust it. So the time for me at London will be 6. If you are in Saudi, it's going to be 8 or 9. So it will be adjusted automatically, and we can add events easily. And for you to go to the event, you just need to press on the event and then on the link, as I'm going to show you now. As you can see here, this one of the event, you can just press on it and then go to press on the link. You will find the time, and the time will be adjusted to your city. You can just press on the link and you will go to Zoom to attend the meeting. So it's very convenient. You will know exactly the schedule, and you can see who's online and who's not online, and it's very easy for us to follow with you guys. And to make it fun, we created hierarchy. So we have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. If you are beginner, medical student, graduate, registrar, junior, registrar, these just titles we give to people. And how you're gonna have a bigger title? By just contributing more, by asking more questions, by posting more. And this the best resource for MRCS Part B. Click on the link down there and join us now.